Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today you learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z. Kids class name: blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, yellow color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. And use blue color. Kids, now we draw B. B is for ball. B is for bus. Kids, now it is C. C is for cat. C is for car. Kids, now it is D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. Kids, now draw F. F is for fish. F is for fan. Kids, now draw G. G is for God. G is for grapes. Kids, now draw H. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. And use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw I. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. Kids, now draw K. K is for kite. K is for king. And use black color. L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. Kids, now draw M. M is for moon. M is for mango. Kids, again use black color and draw N. N is for nose. N is for nest. Kids, now draw O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. And use green color. Kids, now draw P. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Kids, now draw Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Kids, now draw R. R is for rose. R is for rat. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw S. S is for sun. S is for sheep. Kids, now draw T. T is for teacher. T is for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. Kids, now draw V. V is for van. V is for vanilla. And use blue color. Kids, now draw W. W is for wolf. W is for watch. Kids, now draw X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. Kids, letter Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yaya. And use red color. It's letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.